Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna check out top 3 best cold brew coffee maker. Starting at number 3. Godinger Cold Brew Coffee Maker. The Godinger Cold Brew Coffee Maker is reminiscent of a vintage iced tea jug and is a really fun option if your style is a little more farmhouse, less modern. The design includes a screw-on stainless steel airtight lid for keeping your concentrate fresh, a stainless steel fine mesh filter infuser, a glass jug-style body measuring 1 gallon and capable of producing about 10 cups of coffee. An adjustable spigot mounted on the front of the main jug makes it easy to dispense the concentrate when finished steeping. The whole setup is easy to clean, just pop it into the dishwasher when you're done. Check out the description for more information and latest price. Coming at number 2. Takeya patented Deluxe Cold Brew. Takeya makes a comparable option to the ovalware that we also really enjoy for the straightforward simplicity. This is another carafe-style setup and functions just like our first pick design. It includes a durable, BPA-free pitcher with airtight lid and a silicone handle. Keep in mind, this is a plastic carafe whereas the ovalware option is glass. Making coffee with this setup is the same as the ovalware. You fill the inner infuser with fresh or pre-ground coffee, add water and store in the fridge for up to 36 hours to create your concentrate. It can be watered down as needed to taste. This model is also designed to work with hot water to make hot coffee as well as tea. It is dishwasher safe and easy to clean. Takeya also produces a range of sizes, including 1 and 2 quart options. The simplicity and ease of use is the major advantage to this type of iced coffee maker, and users rave about how fast the prep work is. And number 1 of this list. Airtight Cold Brew Iced. It includes a 1.0-liter glass carafe with a rust-free medical-grade stainless steel filter and cap. The silicone seal is BPA-free and airtight. The carafe itself is made of extra-thick borosilicate glass that's lab-tested for strength. It also has a newly added non-slip rubber base for added protection for your surfaces and the carafe. To use, simply grind your favorite beans, load into the stainless steel inner infuser chamber, fill the carafe with room temp water to the desired amount, then pop the whole thing into your fridge and let the magic happen as the flavors mix with the water and create a deliciously strong pitcher of cold brew concentrate. The ideal brew time is 12 to 24 hours, so starting the evening before is perfect to have it ready to go the next day. All of the components for this setup are dishwasher safe, so in addition to being really simple, it's also easy to maintain. This setup can also be used with both loose leaf tea and tea bags if you want to try making a little iced tea too. Ovalware also makes a 1.5-liter version if you're brewing for more than just yourself and want to have extra on hand for thirsty friends and family. This is the perfect example of great design, with no complicated frills, just a simple, fast way to make great cold brew from the comfort of home. All of these items are available on Amazon. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out these links for more information and latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.